Hello, this is page 127, 128. All the problems worked out from the homework. Let me know if you have any questions. So this first one, we want to graph this. It's a vertical line. So there's our error. We made that. Our x-intercept would be at 4, 0. Our y-intercept, there is none. So those were the errors. Next one, we're going to do the x-intercept first, which is blank comma 0. The y-intercept, which is going to be 0 comma blank. So if we go and we cover this y value, 4 times what number is equal to 24? And that would be 6. So we'd get 6 comma 0 right there. And then if I plug this x value in, negative 8 times what number is 24? And that would be negative 3, because negative 8 times negative 3. So 0, negative 3 is right here. Connect our dots. So they flip-flop those. That was the error, which made the graph incorrect. Okay, so our x-intercept, we're going to have 0 comma blank. Flip-flop that, excuse me. It's going to be blank comma 0, and then 0 comma blank down here. So that's a y value. Cover that up. 2 times what number is 20, which is 10. So 10 comma 0 is over here. This is a y or x value. So negative 5 times what number gives me positive 20? Well, that's negative 4, because negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. So 0, negative 4 is down here. So a couple ways we can do this. We can count up 4 and write 10, which reduces to 2 over 5. That's our slope. Okay, we could have also used our slope equation, but we'll just stick with this for now. It's going to be blank comma 0, 0 comma blank. And this is a y value. Cover this up. So 3 times what number is 12? That would be 4. So 4 comma 0 is right here. This is a x value. So 4 times what number gives me 12? And that would be 3. 0 comma 3. There's our line of best fit. So we can count down 3, because it's negative, and then write 4. And that's already reduced. That's what our slope would be. Number 5, again, we're going to go blank comma 0, 0 comma blank. I hope you see that there's a routine that we're doing the exact same thing. This is a y value, so 3 times what number? 3 times what number gives me negative 12? That'd be negative 4, so negative 4 0 is right here. This is a y value, or an x value, so covering up this. 2 times what number gives me negative 12? That'd be negative 6. It's down there. So if I count down 6 and write 4, and then we can reduce that. So negative 3 over 2. That's what our slope is. Again, we could have used our slope equation. This is one of our special cases. This is a horizontal line. Goes right through here. So our x-intercept is none. Our y-intercept is going to be 0 comma 9. Horizontal lines have a slope horizontal. Second letter is an O. That means our slope has to be 0. I remember it that way. This is another one of our special cases. This is a vertical line. Okay, the x-intercept is going to be at negative 4 comma 0. Our y-intercept is none. We don't have one. Our slope of vertical starts with V, undefined starts with U, so it's undefined. Our x-intercept, we're going to have blank comma 0, and then 0 comma blank. So we're going to cover up the y value. So 8 times what number gives me negative 16? That'd be negative 2. Our y-intercept, we're going to cover up our x value. So 2 times what number gives me negative 16? That's negative 8. So 0, negative 8, which is down here. This is what our line of best fit looks like. So we're going to go down 8 and write 2. Reduce that. That becomes negative 4 over 1. Keep it as a fraction. So negative 4 over 1 is your fraction. Okay, we're going to have blank comma 0, 0 comma blank. This is a y value, so negative x equals 6. Multiply both sides by negative 1, so you get negative 6. Our y-intercept is an x value. Cover that up. 3 times what number gives me 6? And that'd be 2, so 0 comma 2. So if I'm going to count up 2 and write 6, reduce that fraction. 2 goes into both. That gives 1 over 3 as our slope. blank comma 0, 0 comma blank. So this one is going to be a y value, so negative 4 times what number gives me 28? That's negative 7, which is back here. This is an x value, so 4 times what number gives me 28, which is 7, which is up here. So if I count up and over, it goes up 7, right 7. Keep that as a fraction, so 1 over 1 is our slope. All right, on this one, these all up here are our answers that we're going to fill in down below. All right, so it looks like our x-intercept is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0, so cross that one off. Our y-intercept is 0, negative 2. We'll cross that one off. Our standard form, our slope-intercept form, let's see. So our slope-intercept form might be easiest to do first, where y equals mx plus b. So my y-intercept is negative 2. And my slope, I'm going to go up to right 3. So 2 over 3x. So y equals 2/3 x minus 2, which is that one. If I wanted to convert this back, I'm going to multiply by 3. So I'm going to get a 3y. It's going to be a negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 6. And let's see where that one would be. I don't see it up there. Maybe we made a mistake on our chart. All right, next one, our x-intercept is going to be 3 comma 0. Our y-intercept is going to be 0, 2. So we're going to go down to right 3. So I have a slope of 2/3. So 2/3 x. My y-intercept is going to be plus 2 is equal to y. So my x-intercept is going to be negative 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Again, I don't see my answer up there. I have one that's close, but that's not it. All right, this is one of our special cases. So this is going to be y equals negative 2. Oh, that's my standard form, y equals negative 2. My slope-intercept form will be the same thing. I guess I flip-flopped. Oh, you got those right. These should have been flip-flopped. Our y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 2. This one would have been none. This has a x-intercept of negative 4, 0. This has a y-intercept of 0, 3. And let's not worry about those. So we're continuing our work with these, my friends. So what I would like us to work on today, page 129 and 130. And you have the rest of the period to work on it. Use me for help if you need help. There's a couple of word problems on page 130, so you might want to use Google Translate if you would like to help you out with that. Hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.